Hey estimators. Okay, wait. Not only estimators, everyone. Here comes a counter app from Engine. Though this app is simple, but it is very helpful to everyone. If you are an estimator, then you probably know how estimators do use a counter. Estimators use counter to count the windows, doors, LED lights, and other objects in the plan. If you are not an estimator, then you should know how a counter app can be helpful for you. You can use a counter to count the number of apples that you have purchased. Sounds silly, right? But just imagine when you have purchased more than 100 apples, then recognizing a count will be a great task because we don't have the confidence of the accuracy of our count. So you can use the counter to count anything easily without recognizing the count. Doesn't it feel useful? And if you have found a counter useful before watching this video, then you may be using a normal counter like this. This counter is good, but you can count only one item at a time. You have to apply a physical pressure while counting. Maybe not. If you have just gone wrong, then changing it to the original count is really a tough task. You have to just set the counter to the zero value and count until the original count is achieved. And hence, we have created a counter app that stays with you as long as your mobile is with you. It has got a beautiful design. You have to add different items that you want to count. Then hit the count button to count the items. You need not click any save button to save the count because it saves the count automatically. If you have just gone wrong, then you can just click the edit button to edit the count. Need another item to be counted? Then just go back and add it. Feel it difficult to find the item that you have added? Then use a search to search the item from the number of items that you have created. So doesn't it feel simple and useful? Then what are you waiting for? Go to the Play Store from the link provided in the description, install it, and don't forget to give 5 stars and a good review if you find this application really useful.